All right, we have a right triangle and we need to solve for x. So anytime you have a right triangle and you're dealing with the side lengths, double check if the Pythagorean theorem will work. Because if you have two sides given and you're looking for the third side, it will work on a right triangle. So remember, you have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That only works if it's a right triangle, which it is. C is always the one across from the 90. So a and b are interchangeable. So I'm going to say 11 squared plus x squared equals square root of 197 squared. But remember, when you're squaring a square root, they're opposite or inverse operations, so they cancel each other out. So I've got, let's see, 11 squared is 121 plus x squared, and that square and the square root cancel, so I have 197. Okay, subtract the 121 on both sides, because you're trying to get x squared by itself. So you have x squared equals, and I want you to be able to do this on your own. So figure out what 197 minus 121 is. Once you get that answer, you don't want x squared, you want x. So then you would take the square root of that answer, and then you would find your answer. But if your answer, let's say, isn't a simplified radical, you would have to simplify the radical by doing the factor tree when, without giving you the answer, if I take the square root of some number and break it up into factors. Remember, anything that's squared can come out of the square root, or like that has friends can come out of the square root, and anything that isn't squared has to stay in that square root. I hope that helps.